Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix verification required. Tap continue and sign in to view billing information. So guys, if you have this type of problem on your iPhone, so guys, when you have opened your app store or want to download any app in your iPhone and facing this type of issue, that verification required for your Apple ID, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to open your settings first, and guys, after opening your settings, simply you need to make sure that you have connected with Wi-Fi. After doing this, you need to open your Apple ID here, and guys, simply you need to click on sign in and security. And guys, after this you need to wait, and guys, here is the option of change password. Simply you need to click on this tab, and guys, you need to enter your iPhone passcode that you are using for unlock. And guys, here you need to enter your new Apple ID password and verify your new password. And guys, after doing this, you need to wait for a few seconds. And guys, you need to go back, turn on your two-factor authentication, and guys, simply you need to click on payment and shipping. So guys, after clicking on it, you need to wait for more seconds. Maybe it take long time on your iPhone. So guys, as you can see here, it has been open. So guys, simply you need to add any payment method, your debit or credit card here. And guys, after entering this, simply you need to save your informations. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.